There's a saying that people who turn leftover stew into jollof hardly let go of their past. So how would you call someone who refurbishes leftover jollof? Well, I had this leftover Christmas jollof and I decided to spice it up a little. So this is the whole process. I hope you enjoy it. First, I added some oil, and the jollof wasn't that much, so I added just. And then after it was done, I went in with my vegetables. For the vegetables, I used onions, carrots, and green pepper. I had to add the carrots first because it takes a while to cook. So after adding all my vegetables, I let it cook for a while. You wouldn't want to overcook your vegetables because you want them crisp. Yeah, so you just cook your vegetables in your oil for some few seconds. I added the cabbage last because now already now it's soft and tea. Or there you cook my orchard, or there on your down crispy where texture of the hand. So when you are done, then you add your leftover jollof. Jollof is that count. So after adding your jollof, then you mix everything together. And the BBI is already cooked. The vegetables are already cooked, like they are slightly cooked. Jollof no so what happened the dad don't see is a good man there and watcher. You mix everything together for some few seconds and then you take it off the fire. That's it. Very simple, very delicious. Let me know if you are going to try this. If you try this, kindly tag me in the video. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Happy Christian here. Bye.